So we start off today's video with this stunning short hair transformation into this beautiful asymmetrical pixie. Absolutely stunning. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So today we're going to be checking out some more short hair transformations. Here we have someone with pretty long mid-back length hair. And she ended up getting a gorgeous lob haircut. Absolutely stunning, definitely a classic shoulder length bob. And then we move into something a little bit more bold. So she has this gorgeous fiery red hair color, which is very in season right now. It looks like the stylist is going to be doing a pixie haircut for this transformation. Wow, look at the color. And he ended up doing more of like a pixie bob. This is so beautiful and chic. I absolutely love it. And then we see someone with a mullet hairstyle. Now, as you guys know, the mullet has managed to make a huge comeback this season, and this is kind of giving me like shaggy mullet vibes. Such a fun, trendy hairstyle idea. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles, options, and ideas within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So next up we have another hair transformation. She has mid-length hair, and it looks like she's also going to be getting like a shoulder length bob. Some new color. Beautiful warm blonde coloring in the form of a lob haircut. Gorgeous. So pretty. Love how this looks paired with her fuchsia lip. And it looks like the stylist is doing more of like the layered hair trend for this next one. Beautiful curtain bangs. Her hair has so much volume. And then we see a gorgeous layered lob, followed by another layered hairstyle with bottleneck bangs. And if you guys are interested in seeing more of the layered hair trend, I do have quite a few videos on the channel, so be sure to check those out. Beautiful bob with bangs, huge trend for 2023. And of course, tons of face framing layers, with curtain bangs being the most requested. Loving this bob switch up. The color with the pop of blonde and the bangs just looks absolutely effortless and chic. Such a fun hairstyle idea. Great way to rock out the split dye trend. She does have blonde on the other side as well. But I think it's really interesting how the bangs feature half brunette, half blonde. Really cool idea. Next up, we have a pixie hairstyle. Now it looks to me like he's doing more of like a classic pixie haircut for this one. Yes, absolutely stunning. I love her outfit and the red lip as well. Gorgeous. And then we move into an undercut style. Beautiful undercut pixie variation. This does have the asymmetrical shape. Some bangs in the front to frame out the face. Gorgeous. Looks like another pixie for this next style. Very nice. Love how he added this spiky texture to kind of help bring the hair, give it a little bit more of a layered texture throughout. Bangs in the front, and I like the fact that she kept her natural color. Wow, look at this platinum bob. This is gorgeous. So I would say that this is more of like a pixie bob. I think what I like most about this is the color. She has her natural gray mixed in. This is so beautiful. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out these hairstyles with me today. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.